So in this video we will learn how to modify cluster element order. Cluster elements have a logical order unrelated to their position in the shell. The first object we place in the cluster is element 0. The second is element 1 and so on. If we delete an element, the order adjusts automatically. The cluster order determines the order in which the elements appear as terminals on the bundle and unbundle. Functions on the block diagram. So follow these steps to view and modify the cluster order. Right click the cluster border and select Reorder Controls in Cluster from the shortcut menu. The toolbar and cluster displays the following changes. The cluster shows a numbered set of white and black boxes at each element. The white boxes on the elements show their current places in the cluster order. The numbers in the black boxes match the numbers in the white boxes. If we change the order, the black boxes show the new order, new place in the order of the element. The toolbar also displays a number in a black box. The number on the toolbar affects the next element we change. The cursor changes to the cluster order cursor. We can use any of these methods to change the order. Click an element in the cluster order. The number of the element in the black box changes to match the number on the toolbar. Type the new order number in the click to set to field and click element. Click the element in the order we want to set and the order number automatically increments. Click the OK button on the toolbar to set the cluster order and exit the cluster order edit mode. Click the Cancel button to revert to the original order.